Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook groundnuts with meat. First, gather your ingredients, beginning with 250 grams of raw groundnuts and 500 grams of cubed meat, like beef or goat. Next, prepare your aromatics: 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, have your seasonings ready, including salt, black pepper, and chili powder, ensuring everything is on hand for a smooth cooking process. Begin by boiling 250 grams of raw groundnuts in lightly salted water for approximately 30 minutes, until they are tender. Drain them thoroughly and set them aside to cool slightly. Simultaneously, season your 500 grams of cubed meat with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then, brown the seasoned meat in a large pot over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, creating a rich base. Next, in the same pot, sauté 1 diced large onion until it is translucent and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add 3 minced cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, cooking for another minute until aromatic. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder if you like a little heat. Now, return the browned meat and the tender groundnuts to the pot, combining all the flavors thoroughly. Now, pour in about 2 cups of hot water or rich beef broth, ensuring the ingredients are mostly covered. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot tightly and let the stew cook slowly for at least 45 minutes, or until the meat becomes incredibly tender. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.